Hello beautiful souls, and welcome back to Soul Society, your sanctuary for natural remedies and holistic wellness. Today, we're exploring how to naturally soothe insect bites, something small but annoying that can disrupt our peace. Whether you're enjoying a sunny day outside or living in a tropical area where insects are common, these gentle, effective remedies will bring you quick relief. Let's get started. Insect bites happen when tiny creatures like mosquitoes, wasps, or spiders pierce the skin and inject venom. This venom triggers your body's immune response, causing redness, swelling, and itching. Sometimes, these bites can be painful or even dangerous, especially if you're allergic. In particular, wasp and hornet stings can cause severe allergic reactions called anaphylactic shocks, which require immediate medical attention. If you or someone around you experiences difficulty breathing, swelling of the face or throat, or dizziness after a sting, call emergency services right away. Meanwhile, keeping the airways open is critical. Try to keep calm and avoid any tight clothing around the neck. You may also use a venom suction device like Venimex, which helps extract venom from the bite area. For common insect bites, here are some gentle and natural ways to ease your symptoms at home. Green clay is prized for its soothing and healing properties. It naturally draws out toxins and reduces inflammation, making it perfect for calming itchy, swollen skin. Take half a tablespoon of green clay powder and slowly add a small amount of water. Mix until you get a smooth, creamy paste. Gently spread the paste on the insect bite as soon as possible. Let it sit for about 15 minutes while it works its magic, then rinse off with clean water. You'll notice the itching and redness start to fade. Onion contains sulfur compounds that have natural anti-inflammatory and antiseptic effects. Cut a fresh slice of onion and gently rub it over the bite area for a few seconds. You may feel a mild tingling sensation. That means it's working. This can quickly reduce itching and prevent infection. Calendula is well known in herbal medicine for its antiseptic and skin-soothing qualities. It helps reduce swelling and speeds up healing. Look for calendula ointment with 2 to 5% concentration, available at most pharmacies or herbal stores. Apply a thin layer of the ointment to the bite immediately after noticing the bite. Reapply as necessary throughout the day to calm the skin and avoid scratching. Salt can help disinfect and soothe bites, especially those from spiders, which can sometimes cause more irritation. Dissolve 1 teaspoon of fine salt in a glass of warm water, stirring until fully mixed. Dip a clean cloth or cotton ball in the salt water and gently rub it on the bite area for about 10 seconds. You should feel instant relief from the itching. Always avoid scratching insect bites, as this can lead to infection. If you notice any signs of infection like increasing redness, warmth, pus, or if symptoms worsen, see a healthcare professional. Natural remedies are gentle but should be used responsibly, never exceed the recommended amounts, and if you're unsure, ask an expert. Thank you for joining me today on Soul Society. I hope these simple remedies bring you comfort and peace whenever pesky insect bites come your way. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you never miss a chance to nurture your body and soul naturally. Until next time, take good care of yourself and stay connected with the healing power of nature.